Study tips for students. Plan ahead and stick to it. If you are able to draft a study plan that serves to balance your studies and other routine activities, you will achieve the desired results in your aimed competitive exam. Choose a comfortable timetable format. Allot time to other activities. It is also important to balance studies with other aspects of life. Study plan will help you achieve the best results in your upcoming exams. Second point, ask for help. The best students ask for help. It sounds simple, but in fact, it doesn't occur to everyone that when you're stuck, you can always ask for help. Humans are social creatures and we need to feel connected to others to thrive. Connecting with others, whether students or support staff, makes you feel more like a part of your university community, which also increases your general well-being. Student life is stressful enough, so build connections where you can. Point 3. Take breaks. Research shows that taking purposeful breaks from studying to refresh your brain and body increases your energy, productivity, and ability to focus. Keep in mind, social media doesn't work well as a purposeful break. Taking breaks from studying every 90 minutes or so can improve both focus and attention. When deciding what to do during your study breaks, always keep in mind that different methods work for different people. It's good to vary different break activities to find which is the most effective in refreshing you. Get outside and get some fresh air, no matter how short the walk may be. Moving your body helps blood flow, which is going to help re-energize you. During one of your scheduled breaks, take a few mindful minutes to meditate in a calm and quiet setting. Point 4. Cultivate a productive space. Good room lighting. Poor room lighting dulls our ability to concentrate fully on a task and makes it difficult for us to give a task our full attention. Use natural light when possible. Natural light does wonders for a brain and body. So if your students enjoy sitting next to a window with some sun coming through, study time is the perfect time to do so. A comfortable chair. Nothing is worse than sitting in an uncomfortable chair for hours. It is hard for students to concentrate when they are experiencing discomfort. Try using a chair cushion, which will lessen the amount of pressure that is placed on the lower back. Clean the study area. Having a messy, disorganized space makes it more difficult to focus because it can create anxiety and even cause frustration, discomfort, or stress. A tidy environment will put their mind at ease and make it easier for them to concentrate. Point 5. Reward yourself. The best thing to do to keep your motivation high, reward yourself after completing parts of your task. Here are some of the best ways to do it right. Listening to music is a great way to just relax and wind down during your study session. You need to ensure that the music does not have any vocals and a slow tempo, since anything fast-paced is bound to make you excited as well, which will destroy your focus. Draw. Art is an amazing form of therapy, especially when you are stressed out. You can just sit and let the pencil move and guide your hands into anything you imagine. In order to keep your mental and physical health in order, you should remember to reward yourself. You can also take a short trip away at the end of a successful trimester. To be effective, rewards should be something enjoyable for you. A session at a gym could be an excellent reward for a fitness freak. So these are the few points where you can use on your daily basis.